and welcome to our family YouTube channel, Sevilla Trip. For today's bittersweet video, Dada Pao and I will be taking you inside our favorite bed and breakfast here in Tagaytay City, Discovery Country Suites, for the last time because they are officially closing their doors to the public. When we learned about this last week that Discovery Country Suites is already closing down, we felt very nostalgic because not only are we going to miss staying here, checking in here, dining in Restaurant Verbena, but also because there were so many memories created and made in this very place. Just a short background, when I finished my OJT hours, I was hired by the company, Discovery Suites in Ortigas. So bago pa lang ako gumraduate, may trabaho na ako, and it was because of Discovery Suites. And after a few years, I was transferred and I was promoted here as resident manager. A special thank you to our former boss, RCT, for this opportunity to be able to pay tribute to DCS. And also thank you to our dear friend Mike for arranging this for us. We salute this company because this is proudly locally owned alongside big players in the hospitality industry, Discovery Shores Boracay and Club Paradise in Palawan. So for those who have never been here before, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang ganda ng Discovery Country Suites with its 7 themed rooms. At para naman sa mga guests who have been here before and our former employees, this one's for you. Happy reminiscing, guys. So we are here at Ceylon. It is the name of Sri Lanka before they gained independence from Great Britain in 1948. So this is Ceylon. They have one queen size bed here and a day bed. And their restroom is on this side. As you will notice, nandito kami sa ground floor. And on this floor, we have 3 rooms. The first one is Ceylon, the one that we just showed you. And now we're gonna show you the 2 other rooms, Siam and Nara. So this is Siam. It has become a constitutional monarchy and changed its official name to Thailand. So this is Siam. They have 2 queen-size beds here. Very oriental, very Asian because that's the theme of this room. Nung dito pa ako nag-work, we would sell this to families. And one of the reasons why this is a favorite amongst families is because you have easy access to the outdoor area and also the jacuzzi outside. So this is the access going outside. Even if maliit lang yung hot tub dito, this is still very cozy, especially sa gabi, kasi very romantic siya. And now we are here at Nara. It is one of the prefectures and the cities in Japan. So we're gonna take you inside and show you what's inside Nara. Welcome to Nara! So as you can see, look at the floors here. These are original and authentic tatami mats. So yan talaga ang gamit sa Japan. If you look around you, the feel is very, very Japanese. What I appreciate about Discovery Country Suites is when they say themed rooms, yung mga materials at furniture talaga na ginagamit nila are authentic. It's as if you are in the actual place. You have a very comfortable 1 king size bed and also a day bed. So hindi lang siya pang couple, pwede rin siyang pang family. So since we are again on the ground floor, it also has access to the outside area. And look, may bonsai din sila. When I was still working here, and that is really yung setup talaga nila. If there are couples who wish to have their breakfast here, they will have a table set up here for breakfast. So we are done now with the rooms here sa ground floor. We will now take you to the second floor rooms. Now we are here at Saint-Tropez. This is a coastal town in the French Riviera. Saint-Tropez has 2 double beds. This is the same configuration as Ceylon. Pwede rin ang families dito, but of course this is much smaller in size. Diagonally across Saint-Tropez is Nantucket. Nantucket is a tiny isolated island off of Cape Cod. So this is one of the big rooms. It has 1 king-size bed and 1 queen-size bed. And look at that view! You have a balcony and you can also have your morning coffee here. Discovery Country Suites is known for their unlimited wine and cheese from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. and you can have that wine and cheese right on this spot and overlooking the Taal Lake. So mabenta talaga tong Nantucket room na to for families. As you can see, so spacious, big beds, and ang ganda-ganda ng view. Done with the 2 rooms here on the second floor. By the way, if you will see this, pwede nyo i-rent out yan before. Yung mga books here, DVDs, and some board games for the kids. Now we are on our way to the 3rd floor, the topmost floor. This is just a free space. Anybody can use this. Anybody can lounge here, have their coffee here. And our 6th room for this tour is the Andalusia, Spain of the imagination. Welcome to Andalusia! This is also a room with 2 double beds. It's also good for families, but the configuration of this room is not as big as the others. We also have view of Starbucks. Last but definitely not the least, Oxford. This is the grandest of all 7 rooms here. So this is Oxford. As you can see, high ceiling, high beams, solid hardwood talaga sila. They have 1 king-size bed here, and you can actually use these 2 day beds for other members of the family. This is actually our favorite room with Dada Pao. We celebrated my birthday here when I was 2 months pregnant with Pablo. We love this kasi napakalaki lang. It's so spacious. And look at this spacious terrace, this balcony. And look at that view! Sobrang ganda ni Taal na yun. Now we'll take you to the grand bathroom of Oxford Suite. We have a nice tub. And the staff here would do a romantic setup. They will do a bubble bath here with rose petals. So now we are here at the dining area. This was the former restaurant Verbena, and they serve the best lukban longganisa risotto here. Yun ang mamimiss ko talaga. This place has been renovated already. Now they revamped it. Mas modern ng konti yung itsura. And this is our favorite spot here kung saan kami kumakain. Kasama din si Pablo, favorite namin dito sa area na to. Mamimiss talaga namin to, especially Mother Tess. Siya ang pastry chef dito at ang nanay ng Discovery Country Suites. We're gonna miss this place, and definitely not just this place but the staff here because they always have a service with a heart. So we're gonna miss you guys. We're gonna miss this place. Ate Pao, tell us ano ang memory mo dito?
Alam ko pagka iahatid kita dito parang gabi na yun kasi kinabukasan yata yung start ng duty mo nun. Dati nakakatakot pa bumiyahe kasi dilim-dilim, tapos yung mga daan hindi pa, maganda na rin pero hindi katulad ngayon na mas developed na. Tapos pag uwi ako mag-isa ako.
So request mo dito? Pagkain.
Yung shrimp risotto.
Oo.
Tapos, mushroom. Ano yung mushroom risotto? Minsan, nag-steak din ako dito.
There's so many memories here and it's bittersweet. Hindi na same yung owner. Iba na rin yung staff. Ako naka-cry. Thank you, RCT. You've been a great boss. We pray that other properties mo will be very, very successful. And this place is going to be missed. So, bago pa ako maiyak, let's just take a peek inside the kitchen. Okay, so this is the chef's table. Very private. Kapag medyo may mga VIPs kami, dito namin sila dinadala. Para syempre din meron silang exclusivity. And this, mamimiss ko to, yung amoy nito. Wala na siyang amoy ngayon. And look, meron pa silang mga menu dito. Pero ito, dito ako natulog, dito ako tumira for like a year. This is the residence manager's room. Hindi ko alam kung open siya. Naka-lock siya. Pero sobrang liit lang niya talaga. Parang 10 square meters lang ata yun. Very busy talaga dito before. We start at 7 a.m. We end at 11 p.m. Dito ko na nakita si Papa P. Ako ang kumuha ng order niya. Ang order pa niya noon ay black truffle oyster. Papa P, sana mapanood mo to. There you have it, everyone. We hope you enjoyed seeing all the rooms and feeling what it's like to be staying inside these rooms. But unfortunately, they are already closing their doors. But thank you so much to the owners that they allowed us before they actually turn it over to the next owners. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified if we have new videos for you. Thank you very much and show yourself, Dada Pao. Thank you, Dada Pao, sa pagiging video man ko today. Bye! Thank you, Discovery Country Sweets!
Thank you for watching.